Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make a classic and irresistible potato salad. We'll begin by boiling our potatoes until they're tender, yet firm. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your potatoes. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and cumin. This step will ensure that our potatoes absorb these aromatic spices while they cook, resulting in a more flavorful potato salad. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. Once they're done, drain the water and let them cool slightly before moving on to the next step. In a large mixing bowl, start by adding the mayonnaise, mustard, finely diced boiled eggs. The smaller size of the eggs ensures that they mix seamlessly with the other ingredients, adding a delightful texture and richness to our potato salad. Now add spring onions and finely chopped fresh dill. Using a spoon or spatula, carefully fold and mix everything together, ensuring that the delightful flavors of the smashed eggs, spring onions, and fresh dill is nicely incorporated, forming a delicious creamy dressing. Now, gently add the diced potatoes and carefully fold and mix everything together, ensuring that each potato piece gets coated with the creamy dressing. This recipe is perfect for picnics, barbecues, or simply as a delicious side dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious dishes. Until next time, happy cooking!